I often get clients that tell me that their users are having a really hard time connecting to myapps.microsoft.com, and they're having trouble with single sign-on. Now, there are many reasons why single sign-on may fail. Maybe the service that they're connected to or the application they're connecting to is not available. For example, if you're connecting to a service on Twitter or Facebook and that service is currently unavailable, that may prevent the single sign-on to work. Or let's say that you have a username or password that has changed in the remote service, then the user needs to update his password on the local client. But probably the most common error that happens is actually related to a browser issue. Now, if I click into myapps.microsoft.com and I'm accessing my MyApps portal, actually what's going on is that I have an add-on, a local add-on that's been added, and that is actually connecting and providing that functionality of caching for single sign-on. Now, the first time that I connected, it actually prompted to download this little add-on. However, it doesn't always enable it properly, and I've seen this happen many times. So let me show you how we deal with that. If I click on Tools and I click on Manage Add-ons, you'll notice that you have several add-ons. Some of them are automatically added, some of them have been added by a third party or some other application you've installed on your computer. But the add-on we're specifically looking at is the Access Panel extension. Now this one here, many times I've seen it set to disabled or just new. And if it's set as just new, it's neither enabled nor disabled, and that it needs to be enabled. Now, if the add-on is not enabled, it will not function, and therefore single sign-on will fail. It's interesting enough to see that a simple add-on that is a web add-on can prevent your single sign-on from functioning and therefore affecting the experience of your users through Azure AD.